Lots of clearance. So 1, 2, 3, 732 bolts. This is your low beams, your high beams. I bought the upgraded LED version. Let's see how she fares. Here are the lights. Sea light is a nowhere. It's only the driver's side light that was out, but I thought I'd just upgrade to LEDs. Why not? So here they are. That's what they look like in the box. These are the low beams, H11. It's color coded, easy to decipher. There, your HB3. Low beams, which is up top, and your high beams, which is at the bottom. Let's take out the stock halogen lights. They're silvery. Let's take out those hex bolts first. Yeah, these tires might get in the way. This is the only way you could access the headlights. The headlight bulbs is under the well here. You can't access through, like in other vehicles, through the hood. I decided to go with this side because I'll be using, I guess, primarily my left hand. Oh, the washer moves freely on this. Not actually flanged. Actual washer that stays there. Yeah, let's twist this off. So here we go. This is metal right here. Pull this away. It's not exactly cooperating. Maybe I'll take this screw out. There's another screw up there. Let's take that one out and see what happens. I discovered this. Not sure if that had to come out from there. And it loosened up. I was able to get this over that. This acts as a nut with a screw. There you go. Here's your high beam. I'm gonna pull these boots off. Dust protectors. And there's your low beam right there. Need 2 hands for this. So I got my safety glasses on because I have that hooked up to a bungee cord. To free up my hands. Got the bungee cord hooked up right there. There you go. See? Free up my hands. Then I just have to remove this dust boot. There you go. It's off. One dust boot. Now, before I forget, just make sure when you're reinstalling, if you're reinstalling the stock halogens or another halogen, just make sure you wear gloves. The oils on your fingers will ruin the filament. Turn to the left here. So it fits through these 3 tabs. See the 3 tabs? It's like a triangular pattern. So you gotta this is facing the front of the vehicle. turn it that way until it seeps through the actual pattern. The housing there, and then it pops out. This comes off. Right here, you pull this tab up. Ooh, this is gonna be hard with one hand. I kind of pulled this tab up and she just slides right out. So there's the stock high beam. These are low beams. Here's the high beam. The orange is the high beam. HP3, HP3. Looks like it's just plug and play. So let's go and do that. Let's double check again. HP3, HP3, 9005. So it only goes one way, right? This tab. I think you can do it one hand. See, the tab only goes, there's no clip on the other side. It's just the one side here, so I could probably do it with one hand. Voila. And go back, same way she went in. Okay, she's turned in. How does she look on? There she is. So you just gotta tuck in the connector as best you can inside. There you go. Need two hands for this. Okay, there's the... I need two hands again. You have to push down on this tab. You have to push down and then pull it out. There's the low beam. Again, you can't put it in the wrong way. There's that tab. We'll get the LED H11. So this one is for H8, H9, H11, and H16. Light keeps conking out. So same principles as the high beam, the low beam. Position it where you could fit it through the, and then turn it, lock it till it stops. The wiring looks like it's gonna be a little tricky. Looks tricky, but you can fit everything. Now all we need is the dust cap. And I need two hands for that again. All right, they're both in there. Got the low and the highs. Now let's put back the cover. So I'm putting these screws back, tightening them. They don't have to be too tight, just snug. Let's put this back. Everything's back on. Okay, now we gotta turn the wheel the other way. To the other side. Again, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. I'm gonna try not taking that out and see what happens. This one doesn't have that rivet. It has that. I guess I can take that out right now. Oh, it does. It's up here. Try not to take that one out. I just gotta take this out. I'm gonna take that one out. It seems like it makes things a lot easier. Okay. There, she popped out. I found if I curled this part in, that rivet was able to pop out easier. So curl that in, and that it'll make it easier to get over this lip right here. I got my eye protection. It's good to put a mat where you're dealing. Save the old bones. Yeah, so underneath there, that's where I put the other hook of the bungee. We have lots of room. Finicky, but they come off. Turn it to the left, counterclockwise, and she comes out. Pull up on that tab. Pull up and pull this away. So this is the high beam. Piece 39005. See, I can hold on to the GoPro with my armpit. And I can do this. Do this. That has to be turned slightly to the left. Okay, the high beam's in. Let's cover off. Lefty loosey. Feel it come out. And this one was pushed down. Push down on the tab, then pull out. This was the bad one. This wasn't working anymore. Can't really see any crazy damage. Doesn't matter which way. There's tabs on each side. Just snap her back in. Okay, she's in. Triangular tab pattern. That's seated properly. Now, throw the wiring back in there. She's seated in properly. I'll put the dust beam back. All right. So we got the low beam in, and the high beam. I think I'm just gonna put one screw in, and I'll test it. Make sure everything's okay. That way I won't have to, instead of fastening everything first and then finding out there's a problem, it'll just save me a little time, so I'll do that. I'll put this back, bend it back, and just put one screw in, and then test it out and see, and go from there. Look nice. So yeah, again, I just left that one screw in, then I tested it out, and they seem to be working.